Hey beautiful people, Madam Sophy here again to do another eyeshadow tutorial. This time I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette in the feature, well, in the selection Bling Boss. So this is the box it came in. This is in Bling Boss. And Bling Boss, this is what Bling Boss looks like. Alright, so I decided to purchase this one because, you know, I love the color purple. I love the color purple, and the other eyeshadow selection I wanted, there wasn't, it was out of stock when I went to the store to get it. But I think for now, I'm going to take a break from Morphe. Not that I have anything against Jaclyn Hill. I'm not trying to get in the mix, the Morphe mix right now, but I have so many Morphe eyeshadow palettes. They came out with the, I think, 35V or something like that. I saw it, I didn't get it. I think I'm just going to take a break from Morphe and give some other brands a chance. Morphe was definitely indeed, or is, one of the eyeshadow companies, one of the makeup companies I got my first few palettes from. And one of the reasons why I really decided to purchase this palette, even though I heard all the negative reviews, I decided to pick this palette because the Jaclyn Hill, the very first Jaclyn Hill palette that was done with Morphe, that was one of the very first eyeshadow palettes I got from Morphe, and it was from there I decided to buy some more eyeshadow palettes from them. So I have so many, and I just want to take a quick break. Well, not a quick break, I want to take a few, probably I want to take a long break from it because I have so many eyeshadow palettes from them, and I want to do a variety of, I want to give another brand a chance. Okay, so if you'd like to see how I came up with this look, please stay tuned.
That's what I'm liking. You know I'm ready, so won't you show me? Fever. You give me this fever. Fever. You give me this fever. Give me this fever, fever. You give me this fever. You give me this fever, yeah boy. You give it to me. Fever. You give me this fever. Fever. You give me this fever. Oh boy, you know you got me right here. Raise my pressure when you ain't there. Got me suffering from this fever, so baby come over and be my healer. Come give me your special touch, special love and care is what I want. Doctor love and more is all I got to come rescue me from this real fever. You give me this fever. Fever. You give me this fever. I see you, you're watching me. I see you trying to be all up over me. The way we vibing, that's what I'm liking. You know I'm ready, so won't you show me? Fever. You give me this fever. 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 Boy, you know you get me right here. Raise my pressure when you ain't there. Got me suffering from this fever, so baby come over and be my healer. Vibing, that's what I'm liking. You know I'm ready, so won't you show me? Fever, you give me this fever. Fever, you give me this fever. Fever, you give me this fever.
Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how I'm going to do my lips for this look. I'm planning on using two lip colors. I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Suede in the color Fowl Mouth, and I'm gonna use NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Havana. So these are what I'm going to use for my lips. I'm trying to do something that's ombre. I don't know if it's going to be successful, but we're going to see. We're just going to wing it. So I'm going to start off with this color first. Alright guys, so this is my final look. This is my final look using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. This is from her Vault collection with Morphe, and this is in Bling Boss. I really love the color selections in this palette. I think I use almost every color in this palette to come up with this look, and I'm really loving this look. Normally I don't do looks where, you know, most of my lid is in a really dark color, but I'm really loving this vampy look. It's not too vampy, but it's vampy and stylish and sophisticated and everything all at once. But I'm definitely loving the way my final look came out using the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss Eyeshadow Palette. I bought this palette for $15 from Ulta Beauty in store. This was not the initial eyeshadow palette I wanted to pick up. I forgot the name of the one I really wanted to pick up, but it was out of stock at the moment, so I ended up picking up the Bling Boss Eyeshadow Palette, and I am loving it, honey. Let me know in the comment section how much you're digging this eyeshadow look. Would this be something that would be out of your zone or in your zone? Alright, so my final take on this eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette has 10 colors, so you get 10 eyeshadows in this palette. You do get a mirror at the top. This is not my very first time using this palette. I used it, actually guys, let me give you a joke about myself. I did an eyeshadow tutorial when I first got this palette, and let me tell you, that eyeshadow tutorial was hideous. I didn't like how my eyes came out. I think I deleted the footage from that video, but that look was hideous. I'm like, oh my goodness, I cannot believe I took time out of my day to do a look looking so hideous. But I definitely learned from that, because when I did that makeup tutorial the very first time, I was super tired. I didn't have a focused mindset, so I learned from that mistake, and I learned that, okay, next time you're doing your recording for your YouTube channel, you need to be alert, you need to be awake, even though you're tired, just not so tired. So definitely I learned from that. It was simply because I was just so tired and I just couldn't wait to get everything done so I could go to sleep. That ended up having a huge influence on the ability, on how well my makeup came out. But that was a lesson learned. But this is my second time using this eyeshadow palette to do a look, and this eyeshadow palette is very affordable. I like the fact that you do get a mirror with it. I really love the blendability of the colors. I had no issues with the colors. I had no issues with the palettes. They worked fine for me, and I really love the look I was able to come up with. If you're curious as to what I wore for foundation, today for foundation I went ahead and used the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow foundation in the color 211. That's what I used. And then in addition to that, I went ahead and I set my foundation with my CoverGirl setting powder, face powder, in the color, I think this is called Honey. Yes, this is in the color Honey. So that's what I used for foundation today. to contour, I went ahead and I used Makeup Revolution C14. I also used Makeup Revolution C12.5, and I also topped that up with Tan Deep Sand by Tarte Shape Tape. In addition to that, for lips, what did I use? I used the NYX Liquid Suede Lip Color in the color Foul Mouth, and this color is more like on the blue side, so this is like a navy blue color if you're curious. I know that the packaging, like the container it comes in, it looks like it's deep dark purple, but it's not dark purple. The finish of this color is more on the navy blue side. And I also use, for the center part of my lips, I use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Havana. So that's what I use for lips. For not foundation. To set my contour area, I went ahead and I used the Eligo Pro Face Matte Finishing Powder, and I got it in the color Warm Honey. The Warm Honey color is too light for my skin tone, so sometimes I tend to use it for setting my contour area. In addition to that, for blush today, I went ahead and I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the color Berry Adore, and I used this color for blush. I used a mixture of these two. I double dipped in these two for blush. In addition to that, for highlight today, I went ahead and I used the Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss Dream Kiss highlighter. This was what I used for highlighter today, and I used the colors, these three colors that are on the wheel. So from here all the way down here, this is what I used. So this is what I used. And in addition to that, for highlight, again, I also went ahead and used the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this is in the color Molten Gold. So this was what I used today for my face. This was what I used today for my lips. If you have any questions, please let me know. Are you loving this look or are you not loving this look? I am definitely fazed by the Jaclyn Hill Vault Bling Boss Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is indeed Sophy approved. Alright, so I hope that you guys, if you guys have ever tried this palette, please let me know. If you've ever tried any of the other eyeshadow palettes from the Jaclyn Vault collection, please let me know whether you were satisfied or not. But for this one, my opinion is I am satisfied. And I'm really loving the packaging of the eyeshadow palette, and it is very affordable. $15, you can't beat $15 for eyeshadows that actually work and eyeshadows that I didn't have any problem with. So again, this palette is indeed Sophy approved. I am really loving the final look I was able to come up with. Are you loving this look or are you not loving this look? Please let me know in the comment section. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome, sweetheart. I hope that you subscribe on your way out, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be part of the Sophia Squad. And you need to join the Sophia Squad because you're a sophisticated lady. That's why you gotta join the Sophia Squad. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for taking time out of your day to look at my video. I highly appreciate you, your support, and all that you do. That's it for today. Don't forget to be fabulous, and don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys.